first and foremost, there was 2 family members allegedly in the box for a while. And one come up here and one never say hi to the next one up there. So I just have this probably a big like me not understand. Cause if me and you are family like anywhere from and me coming out and box and see you, me I say, so I go and live, are you good? And then me start to me say, so all of those
exactly.
things. I know they think
something not adding up, and the police need to do their job and do that good investigation, thorough investigation.
Tiger me go jump off in about year, me I say they need to do DNA upon the man with the rum in their hand, the taxi driver, the one who unalive, right? The one who unalive, the taxi driver. All the boy be when they say jump and mash up about in the park like and everybody. Cause somebody, when a family member say a bike in Japafa, that are the family member were in my box last night. Say a bike in Japafa, so a big enough boy, right? And bruise off in foot and in batty jaw, right? So in bruise off a bike. He wasn't in the yard. She says when him come home, the grandmother asked him if he see the little girl. Right? He never there home, you know. What? He never there home. He wasn't at home. When him come home, the grandmother asked the boy if he see the little girl nowhere up a shop. Right? So she had talked about say the boy was home. The grandmother said little boy did home. And he said him go look for him. He never said nobody go look for him. The little boy just come in. And he asked him if he see him up. That's what the family member said last night. The story them nah match up none at all. You hear me say Tiger? The whole of the family them. You see the whole of the family them will come out. They need to sit down and rehearse what they're coming out to say first before they come to the people. They need to write it and then do it like Shani them and do it off a script. You know, just come read and talk that the whole of no come with the same thing. And they need to do it.
If you talk the truth, you don't have to do all of that.
No, but they're not talking the truth, woman, of purpose. So they need to write down the truth and not talk them and talk the truth, you know. Write down the truth, then they come talk and they are telling all lies.
Can I say something?
Yeah, this has too much twist, you know, it have too much twist.
The taxi man take up the little girl for carry him go shop. And why the taxi man would have make the little girl go buy the chicken and the rice before him kill her?
But me not see the taxi man come
Wait again. She went to the shop. The shopkeeper said she came to the shop and buy 2 pounds of chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Right?
Said, no,
and he give her back 4 or 200 or change or something like that, right? That's what the shopkeeper said, right?
Give her back 200.
So what happened to the things them where she go a shop go buy? Oh, nobody don't find them or something within there.
The money nor the chicken, yeah.
Nobody don't find the chicken. Nobody find the chicken. Nobody find the change.
The boy, I think I'm on the live yesterday and said the boy cook it and eat it.
Yeah, again.
Too much is something that happen. Cause after the boy do it, the boy go be. No, the boy have time for cook chicken.
Then I miss what time that get you cook the chicken and eat it.
Cut food to burn the body. So I don't know how do you get so much time to do all of that.
Well,
the one last night say if they never ask.
Me not hear what you say. What you say, look while?
The auntie, that's the boy, and boy own the shop. So the boy pack up food to burn the body. So he never planned to make the people then find the body. So much like somebody behind.
Yes, that was on my life. She said, because they move fast, make them find the body. Because the boy start look wood, pack up, figure burn the body.
Oh, the guy that get unalive?
The one that get unalive. So if you go take the chicken, go cook the chicken, bathe and go a road, look wood for go light the body, but yes, you go light the body, but you still go a road, go and sell can. You know, make it make sense. You don't go light the body?
if the fire light, then people now go see the big old fire.
When me I say make it make sense. You know how long you take for look wood, woman of God?
Yeah,
you pack up wood for burn one body, you know what you would that? Right? And he take the chicken from the little girl and go cook the chicken again. You know how much time that take up again, woman of God? You know if you bathe and go a road, go sell arm to arm can again, you know how much time that take up, woman of God? Right?
And they say yet still,
this lady that came on the live, right, said he was down by the house, he did not bathe, and them pulled on him clothes and them see mark on him that they knew it was the little girl, right? what they should have done, right? When I talk about with this a case, right? Because him go come out back same way, right? Put it because he habit, he love go to prison and come back out because him love it a fun, right? If he mix himself with boys and girls, he love in a prison can exercise himself very well in the same like it here. So here, I want to find him with blood on him, right? The blood don't have to be possible from the little girl. He could go somewhere and molest somebody else. Because I'm trained. You have to be the little girl own approved by looking at the blood, so that's the color or that's the shape or form of that little girl blood.
I don't know, Mrs. Because father saying ask him and he say yes. So
Look at the father alone ask him, he never tell nobody else. I father alone ask him and the father say yes.
Alright, let me tell you something. See, guys, I don't know how many of you guys probably know of me, but you see, my brain come like a fridge. And you see, if me have nail in my foot bottom, and if me have a cast from my 2 foot and my 2 hand, and anybody tell me say you grape her and alive my daughter, if I even roll me, I roll if you can't touch you. If I even touch me, if you touch you.
yeah, the true man. No,
So
pretty.
the father,
Even that the part again, they said the father can't move, the father 6 till he can't move. And the father talking I want interview, go back, go listen to them, please, Tiger.
yes.
When
So,
them say, even him was looking for the little girl. One of them, he said, him did I look for the little girl. And that's when he went round and said the boy pan the veranda. And when him asked the boy, and the boy said, and him do it, the way on week that he want pebble, he could take up and throw at the boy.
Yeah,
Right?
man,
So all of a sudden, he start being that he weak. He walking at the first interview when he come down to this now, he can't even help himself. Make it make sense.
Yeah, Mr. He saying couldn't take up nothing if you do nothing to the boy.
Make it make sense. He can't even help himself with that one. Somebody after 1 day or 2 days, you reach one point. After you walk 2 days before.
So that's the part I was trying to explain just now. Because if any human being gonna tell me that about my child, and you're gonna tell me say me so weak that me can't pick up on people, me I jump on you, me I bite on me I do something. You can't tell me say you just do that to my child and me so weak. That's me say if I even roll, me I go roll upon the ground, me I go roll over and come touch by you so. But me can't make you just tell me that I'm so weak.
Man,
And then you tell me that you got to go there and see him on the veranda. So how you get to the veranda? Somebody lift you up and carry you on the veranda?
I didn't tell you yes. He said yes, I asked him and he tell you yes.
Somebody pick you up and carry you up on the veranda where you go ask him the question and tell you yes. Let me tell you something. The person who typing in the comment requires say we want the police to do. We want the police to do a DNA test and the boy who gets alive and we want a DNA test for the little girl to see if the DNA for the little girl match the boy. That's what we want the police to do. Because when they just coming at people live and you can hear something attack, you gotta ask if it's a police wife or a police tribe. That's what we want the police to do. So they can question what we want police to do.
We want the right person.
Can I say something?
We want the right person. The right person.
No, watch them Tiger. No, you Tiger no check on them.
Can I say something?
Them people, where you see a context answer their question, Tiger, they have some family that do the same very thing. So idea they want to figure what we want the police to do. Right? Don't check on them, they are waste of time.
Right.
Waste time.
End of the day, let me tell you something. Just like Jaden case, remember I told people there's overwhelming evidence that the family them do it. That not mean to say me now look on somebody else as well. Once you was in Mandeville and that day, I'll be looking at you. If Miss Carol was in Mandeville that day, I'll be looking at her as well. So all I am saying, because you see the thing is this, my mother tell me say when you tell the truth, you don't have to remember what you're saying. You understand? And the fact that I have been listening and all of the lives, I sat in Lava Live for about 2 or 3 hours. I have been listening. And the story them just changing. Every family member come give you a different. Every family member come and the same thing with what going over Jaden. And the same exact thing. When Mr. Steve say, I know that the crocodile say, the crocodile say, I know that the hyena say. So what do I have to do with it? What do you guys want us to do with it? We want a DNA test. we want a DNA test. And then after the DNA test now, we start talking to the police and ask the police why he was allowed to do 4 attempts. 1 attempt a mistake, 2 attempts, 3 attempts, 4 attempts, nothing no go so. So why they never let out Zebra? Why Zebra going to prison to spend 15 years? Because Zebra do it and come out and do it again.